for lesson number 4, we are going to finish the circular spacer. So we need to make sure and confirm all the dimensions. And we notice that they're supposed to be in the hundredths, and we have at 0.000. So we're going to select all the dimensions, and we'll take this into the properties. So go to Modify, Properties, and then we'll go ahead and select the precision. We have to scroll down a bit. And go to 0.00 or hundredths, and make sure that it all matches your textbook. All right, so far so good. And now we're going to go ahead and put the title, which is, of course, circular spacer. So we'll select it here. We're using the text command on the menu bar above. And when you do it, it's typically very small, but go ahead and type it in. And so this is just chapter 1, circular spacer. All right, chapter 1. And then make sure you put your name on it. So I'll go and push return and then put your name in there. Now this is a little too small for me, so I'm going to make this a little larger. So I'm going to right click on it, hit the properties, and then for the text height, let's try 0.5. See how that looks. Yeah, that's a little better. And then I can move this around if I need to. It looks pretty good. And let's center it. And notice that it's centering to the highlighted object here. So unselect it. Now let's go ahead and let's save this and print it as a PDF file. So we'll save it to my file. All right, make sure it's in a folder that you can easily access. And then I'm also going to plot this as a PDF. So it's nice that AutoCAD has this feature. Sometimes you want to use Adobe, but this is consistently the best way to do it, I have found. And then we want to make sure that we select window. And I'll go around the object. And preview it. Looks good here. This is the student version. That's why we have those on the outside. And then make sure we save it. And then I'm going to, the next phase is inspect it, make sure everything's fine. And then I will take this into the canvas and upload it. So I'll select the circular spacer, submit assignment, and put choose file. And I'll choose the AutoCAD file and the PDF file, DWG. And then I will select the PDF file, which is what your instructor grades. And you are pretty much good to go and have finished making the circular spacer in AutoCAD from the textbook.